Good morning, students. So today we will be discussing about the chapter Moon. So, what is a moon? Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Now, moon, we all know that the Earth revolves round the sun. However, in case of moon revolves round the Earth. The moon revolves around the Earth. Now, the first person to we will come to that later. Now, what can happen? Let's talk about lunar eclipse. Now, what is a lunar eclipse? When the moon comes in the path of the sun and the earth. I apologize. So, what is a moon? Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Now, we all know that the sun revolves round the earth revolves around the sun. However, the moon revolves around the earth. Now, let's come to lunar eclipse. I'm just drawing a diagram of it. Let this be sun. Okay? Let this be moon. Now, when the earth comes in between the path of the moon and the sun, it forms a lunar eclipse. This is earth and this is moon. When the earth comes in the path of the sun and the moon, it forms a lunar eclipse. Now, in the same way, the opposite of lunar eclipse is solar eclipse. We all know that the sun is constant, it is not moving. All the planets are moving around the sun. So, in this case, what happened? Again, keep sun as a constant. Sun. Let this be the earth, and this be the moon. So, what happens? In case of solar eclipse, the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. Okay? Because we all know that sun is constant, it is not moving, and all the planets are moving around the sun. So, earth is also moving around the sun, and in such cases, in case of solar eclipse, the moon comes in between the earth and the sun. So this is the basic difference between solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. The very first person to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The very first person to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. And Captain Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian to land on moon was Captain Rakesh Sharma. Then after them, following them, there are lots of people who landed on moon. The first spacecraft which was launched by India to reach to the moon was the name of that was Chandrayaan 1 was the first spacecraft launched by India was Chandrayaan Chandrayaan 1. It was launched in the year 2008 on October 22nd, 2008. the first spacecraft was launched, the first Indian spacecraft which was launched to reach to the moon was Chandrayaan 1. So, this is what a rough idea about this particular chapter. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to forward a PDF file along with this video so that you people can get a better understanding of the entire thing. Go through it. In case if you find any problem to understand, please feel free to call me. I will be there to help you. Thank you.